So the time is going to take you to like save up to get that teeth whitening procedure. You can actually spend that time while you're saving up money. You can use that time to try out natural products. So I believe that you can find a method and then practice it in your own life and see the change. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. For those of you not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel down below. Click the big red button down below to get notified anytime I post a new video. If you like to join the family, then please subscribe, click the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified anytime I post a new video. I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a skincare guru out there, but I just want to share with you guys my own honest tips, especially for those that are living here in Nigeria. For those of you that are living in Nigeria down here, you know how our weather is, and most of us, okay, I won't say most of us, I can't speak for everybody, but some of us don't have that budget to be buying like 10,000 naira creams every month, monthly, weekly basis, whatever basis that you are buying this thing. But these are like natural tips that I found out in my journey. So I just want to clarify something for you guys. Natural skincare is different from organic skincare, and organic skincare is different from chemical like skincare products. Like they are different. Organic skincare is they are skincare products that are like derived from like natural things, natural ingredients that God made. So they're actually utilizing it in whatever quantity that they have, in whatever mixtures. They help like bring out the best without actually creating that harsh effect on your face, what harsh side effects it may be. But then for chemical like skincare products are like all these like acne products that like fight battles that are medically like, most of them are medically like prescribed, like used, they're like used to like combat it. Like how like it's more powerful, it's more harsher. So you have to be careful when you use chemical skincare products. I don't know what other word they use to describe chemical skincare products, but I do know that chemical skincare products that I've used in the past are I mainly use them because they were like dermatologist approved. Most of them, like I don't know, I can't say, I'm not perfect in this kind of stuff, but I'm just telling you my own. The natural skincare products are the ones that you see, you use. Their products, there are things, skincare routines that you form or you do, or you everything using like natural things that you can find in your environment, in your kitchen, like baking soda, lemon, banana peels, what do that in? Tomato or tomato, whatever you are calling it. That one. There's also toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste, I think. Yeah, Colgate toothpaste, they say is the strongest, like is the most effective. Coconut oil, olive oil, essential oils, jojoba oil, all those oils, you know, now that you find in your everyday kitchen, your everyday life. They are like, the main thing is to get the tips in this video. Yeah, what are the tips? What can you use to help treat your acne and level up your skincare routine with just natural things that you can find at home? I'm just going to divide it into 3 sections. You have like for the teeth, you have for acne, that's your face, and then you have for your body. For your teeth, there are so many ways you can use. Banana peel, baking soda. They say Colgate toothpaste really works really well. It's a very multi-purpose toothpaste because then we also have charcoal. Then that's for face. I don't know whether it's toothpaste in general, like white toothpaste that is white, or Colgate in particular. I don't know if it's the brand or the whiteness or the white toothpaste. But I know toothpaste can help in acne. You know, that first pimple that comes, especially with those period acne, you know your skin is so smooth. Then during your period, you now see one big pimple here, or big pimple, or whatever you see it on your face. just rub it on there like constantly, you know, for the next 3 or 4 days it's going to be there. So you just rub it on every single day, allow it to sit for a while, and then you clean it off and wash off your face on those areas, only on the acne sides. We have talked about toothpaste, we've talked about, you know, face masks. You can actually use charcoal, and I don't know, there's this ingredient you can mix with charcoal to make it like for your blackheads, like blackheads. But I mainly use like gum. I'm not going to lie, I use gum, not like this chemically like strong gum or whatever. I just use like normal simple gum that I can use to like, that can just mold, like make the thing form, then I just scrape it off, and it actually works. It works for me. I don't know, it has worked for me, it's working for my siblings, it's working for all of us. So I thank God. I can't tell you off the top of my head everything I know about charcoal, but I shall know that it helps in removing blackheads. Then baking soda can also be used as a face mask. Yeah, it can be used as a face mask, but you have to be careful with how regularly you put it on, because it is also chemical, so it's harsh to the skin when you're using it too much on your skin. So maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Just regulate it so that you know like when to use it and when not to use it, you know, something like that. Find a balance so you won't be like, find a balance so you won't use it too much and then you now see adverse effects of it. Lips, you can actually use Vaseline to moisturize your lips. It's everywhere, or you can use coconut oil, but the main thing is to use your brush. While you're brushing your teeth, you can actually exfoliate your teeth, like your lips, like that. When you're brushing your teeth, you like rinse your sponge and then go over it dry, you know, brush out the dead skin cells, then wash your brushing. Or you can use 2 different brushes, whatever one works for you. Everything I was saying here is budget friendly, economical, and a simple way that you can treat your skin, treat your acne. So I've talked about acne, we're talking about the lips and the teeth. So you can use charcoal, you can use baking soda. Use baking soda and charcoal, use baking soda and water, you use coconut oil to like remove the plaque and the tartar on your teeth. It actually makes it like submissive enough for you to like be able to like scrape it out. So be able to scrape it out, it's not that it's going to wash it away immediately. Like if you leave it on, just gargle coconut oil in your mouth, or like just rub it all over your teeth and just chill. Don't swallow anything, just hold it. There's also banana peel method. You can actually, when you finish eating banana, you use the peel of the banana, that place, instead of the place where the banana is, actually you peel it off, then that like scrubby side, you not take it and rub it all over your teeth. Rub it all over your teeth, keep rubbing it for I think about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then wait, then you rinse it out. The same thing with tomatoes. You can also use tomato, same thing with tomato, or tomatoes, whatever one you are calling it. You can also do that to your teeth. There's so many methods, but the main thing about all these things is consistency. You're not going to see it in like 1 week, 2 weeks, but as opposed to like whitening your teeth chemically, nothing against them, but if you don't have that money or you don't have the budget for it at the moment and you just want like nicer looking teeth and all this kind of thing, you can actually try natural methods because they work. It's like you just need time. So the time is going to take you to like save up to get that teeth whitening procedure. You can actually spend that time while you're saving up money. You can use that time to try out natural products, so you know that you can do like, you can cross off anything from your list. You can cross it off that you tried it and it didn't work out. Just give it a shot. I believe that you can find a method, one of these steps, so you'll be able to like take something from this video, even if it's just one thing, and then practice it in your own life and see the change, and please comment down below your results. Let me see if they worked for you. And yeah, I've not talked about body, right? Yeah, for body we have dry brushing. You can actually try dry brushing. They say it's good for cellulite, you know, for all we thick girls, thick, you know, people that have body, even for slim ladies. All of us are like, you should try dry brushing. I heard it actually helps, like it makes you look younger and fresher. I don't know, you know, you don't know until you get to that age, but as of now you just gotta practice it, try it, add it to your routine and see if you see results. And I challenge you to try it for like 3-6 months and see if it's work. Then we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good moisturizing body oil. Expensive though, not that expensive, but it's an expensive natural product to have, to use. Olive oil, jojoba oil, essential oils, they're even more expensive. So exfoliating is also the way to go. If you want like household exfoliating, just use your body sponge to scrub your body, but beware, don't exfoliate your face every single day because it's going to damage your skin. But other than that, yeah, that's basically all the tips I have for you guys. And always moisturize your skin. Don't allow your skin to be dry or flaky. If you have a body cream, check out what that body cream does for you. It is moisturizing. I'm still learning the ropes about all these skincare things. I'm a beginner, so I'm just sharing with you what I am learning. So I hope you guys try all these tips, and yeah, hit me up down below. My links to my social media are going to be down below if you want to connect with me. You know, I need more friends. If you want to connect with me, then please check out my Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Everything's going to be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and share this video. And please click the red button down below, the red bell icon, to get notified anytime I post a new video. You'll be the first to get notified when I post a new video. And hopefully, as we're going up, we're growing, and more content, more amazing content will be coming, you know. So yeah, I just want to do thumbnail. Should we thumbnail? Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.